How to download cTrader application on Android and iOS device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on Android or iPhone and want to download the cTrader app, first of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store depending upon your smartphone's operating system. Now go to the search bar and type in cTrader and search. Look for this application from Spotware and tap on the Get or the Install button. If you've previously downloaded the app on your device, tap on the cloud icon on your iOS. Now, the cTrader application will start downloading. Wait until the download is completed. Once the application installs, tap on Open, and there you have successfully downloaded and installed cTrader application on your iOS or Android smartphone. Go ahead and create a new account or log into your existing account by entering your email and password, or choose any other login options at the bottom. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.